Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've already done a full face. I actually posted the video of like how to and getting ready with me in the morning on Instagram. So definitely check out my Instagram. It's at Amadi_Shafika. And that link will be listed somewhere down here. I just wanted to review a couple beauty products. I am so in love with my lip and of course my eye palette. In my previous video I used the Anastasiabeverlyhills PRISM palette. It's like the limited, I don't know if it was her holiday edition, but it was like a limited edition and I just had to have it. One, because the case is velvet and I love it. Two, because of all of these like fun, very bold colors. I like to do kind of like this smoky, glittery, like sultry look, but every now and then I like to switch it up and do some of the deeper tones and some more of the metallic tones. And I'm sorry because my lighting is absolutely horrible. But yeah, and it comes with a cute little brush, but it's drying right now, so you definitely should go get this. I love it. The tones are super pigmented. I can apply it with my I can apply it with my finger or I can apply it with my brushes and it has the same application. Sometimes with glitters, like you try to apply it and it gets all saturated or it flakes all over your face. And this, I can actually do my concealer and my under eye before I do my eyes, which I normally do reverse of that. And I'm glad that I can finally, what the heck is in my hair? I'm glad that I can finally, it's still something in my hair that's bothering me. I'm glad that I can finally like use my brushes and use my finger without like having to over apply and then wipe and clear my whole face. That little hair thing really distracted me, so whatever. Now on to my lashes. I rarely use false lashes. I love them. I think that my eyes look absolutely glamorous with them. However, I have naturally super duper long lashes, so I like to just accent my natural lashes, and also they're a little less hassle, and I don't have to get them reapplied often because they're my own. They just grow like that. And so I use, and I don't know how to pronounce it because I never took French, I think it's called Monsieur. So big Lancome mascara. It is in the Blackest black. It's super dark. I'm actually gonna apply another little bit on here just because like I like the dramatic like effect with my natural lashes. But yeah, it's completely awesome. It's something that I've been buying since it came out. I have been obsessed with it. It is definitely my favorite. I haven't found a new favorite. I used to be obsessed with Better Than Sex by Too Faced. That was like my go-to no matter what happened, and I've tried other ones like Perversion by Urban Decay and a few other ones by Tarte, but this has been my ultimate favorite, and it's only like 20 bucks at Ulta. So for me, a mascara that's $20, it's lasted me such a long time, and I use it every single day, and I apply a million coats, so I love it. You don't even have to apply that much. I just prefer to have like a more dramatic eye. Next is on to, of course, my cheeks. I love my highlight right now, and I live in Ohio right now and it's super gloomy outside, so my natural lighting is trash. So I just want to apologize now for like how yellow toned my lighting is. It's really bothering me. I prefer to use natural lighting, but it's been hard to get like good natural lighting. So anyway, on to the next. So my cheekbones, I definitely use the Fentybeauty, and look at that. Let me adjust it. Let me just no. Okay. My Fentybeauty Matchstick, and it's gross right now, but it's in Truffle. I love putting it underneath as an undertone, and I like having a cream based contour. Like I use it on my nose and all of that. So it's definitely darker than my skin tone, so I don't use it as like an all over foundation. I do love her Pro Filter foundation, but I'm not using that today. I actually only use my Nars concealer and my Tarte C Collection liquid foundation, because that one blends, and it blends actually really well. That's another thing I really like about Fentybeauty, is that it blends really well with my other foundations, and it doesn't like separate or look funky, and it just kind of has like this smooth blend, and I really enjoy using it. The next thing, of course, is my highlighter, and I'm apologizing in advance for how gross the lid is, but again, it's super shiny, but my Fentybeauty, and I love the Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. If I can ever get it open. I've used this so much, and I still have a lot left. I don't have to use a whole bunch, but my cheekbones are still popping. So thank you, Rihanna, for blessing the world with these amazing products. On to the next. I have been obsessed with like this matte, creamy, like, I don't know, this like smooth look thing. I don't know what's going on with that, but I love it. And so I have a friend here in Ohio that has her own cosmetics line, and I absolutely love her lip collection. I'm looking for it right now, so just like bear with me. It is called Sexy Cosmetics, and it is absolutely amazing. Like, all of her lip products are amazing. Her glosses, the glitter, the shine, the velvet matte, the liquid, the regular satin lipstick, it's all amazing. This is in a color called Phenomenal. It's very smooth. I literally have already drinking coffee this morning and everything, and literally still have the same look applied. It's definitely a great base coat or a great ombre color. I have worn this completely by itself with no liner, no gloss, no anything, and it is my favorite winter fall color. I'll also pop it out sometimes, probably sometime in the summer, but I just got this one, and it is absolutely creamy and delicious on my lips, and it lasts her forever. I don't like having to reapply my lipstick or anything that's on my lips over and over again. I also really love food, so I need to be able to eat and still look fabulous afterwards. Lastly is the Nars Velvet Liquid Matte. This is in the color Bound. I don't know if you can see it, and it's probably upside down, but this is like my favorite neutral tone. I have like multi-pigmented colored natural lips, so I've been using this as kind of like the ombre blend, and I'm actually just gonna do like a little more of a dramatic ombre to go on with my day. This one is really smooth as well, and Sexy Cosmetics, their lipstick blends with other lipsticks very, very well, so I don't have to worry about like there being like this weird separation or the colors not mixing, or like having like that crusty matte feeling and then having like this super high glossy or shiny finish, and it just making this weird texture on my lips. So these two together are like my go-to like daytime sexy look. I wear them all the time. I prefer having a neutral lip with like just a little gloss. But when I go to my dark tones, this is definitely my little combo. Again, I just wanted to kind of review these products and let you guys know like this is what I'm going to be wearing 2018. I'm going to rock this limited palette for as long as I possibly can. Fentybeauty is going to continue to be incredible. I have no doubts in Rihanna and all of the new shit that she is going to be bringing forth this year, so I will continue to use those products and continue to review new products. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I am so excited to be sharing this kind of journey with you. There will be more apartment home decoration stuff to come. It takes a little bit longer for me to film those things, but I'm so glad that I have the subscribers that I have. I'm definitely trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. But 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2018. That is my goal. I have so many goals and so many business things that I'm kind of doing right now, but this is definitely completely out of my comfort zone and something that I have been wanting to do for a long time, and so I'm just getting out there and doing it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely like and subscribe below. Leave comments, let me know what else you would like to see or products you would like to see me review and use, tutorials, etc. I love you guys. Thank you. Bye.